Good morning, everybody. So, last night we got some snow overnight, and excuse me, we got some snowballs. It is so neat looking that I took apart my extension tubes to be able to show you a bigger, widespread area. I don't normally do that, but for you guys I will, because you're special. And so you'll see it's less close. It's not as macroed. And let's get them up here in the moss. That's really cool. Can get better light with this too, because the shorter the lens, the more light you get. Let's get some lichen. Look at that. That's neat. Look at those little things. What are those? Little mini mushrooms? Wow. Really neat. Let's see what else we have. It looks like they're all snowballs. We even have some with buds, because it is spring after all. Little snowballs and buds. Coming up, and then we have snow. So I think my plan in the spring and summer is to just do some macros of other things. If that's something you think would be awesome and you want me to do, let me know down in the comments, and I'll continue doing them. I know that this can be very relaxing, almost an ASMR kind of deal, but snow will not be falling soon. And since I renamed my channel to the Snowflake Photographer, that only makes sense that I have snowflakes, but I think it'll be fun to do other things too. So yeah, let me know. I think the beauty is in finding things that we normally don't see on a day-to-day basis. How often do we get this close to bark and moss and snow? Not very often. So this is the beauty that we miss out on. And And I hope to bring more to you as the days go on. Alright everybody, have a great weekend. Stay warm and hope for spring. Take care.